A slim version, an extreme model, an entry-level version, and reports that it would be delayed until next year are all that have been discussed so far. Now that we've been hearing about it, the enigmatic second version of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold the 6th of May really be released shortly. A larger screen, a slimmer design, and a reduced weight are all features of this next foldable phone, according to Ice Universe on Twitter. A person on Twitter said that the Ice Universe Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which is lighter, thinner, and bigger than the Fold 6, would be released in China as the Samsung W25 and will not support the S Pen. It was rumored last month that Samsung was delaying the release of a more reasonably priced foldable phone in order to keep up with China's offerings without sacrificing durability. According to analyst Ross Young, the Z Fold 6 Ultra that has been speculated may not really release. Instead, a slimmer model without a stylus digitizer may. Every discussion here confirms early January speculations that Samsung may introduce a foldable this year that is more affordable and modeled like a tablet. With a view to competing in China's competitive market, Samsung chose to eliminate the stylus digitizer in order to make the phone smaller. In place of this, the new model will feature a larger screen and be more durable in order to solve problems that are typical of foldable phones in China. It may be another 9 months before we see this bigger, more adaptable, foldable screen without a stylus, as industry insider Ross Young claims that manufacturing on these larger panels won't begin until late this year. It is unlikely that the W25 branding and maybe exclusive specifications for China will be accessible outside China. It's unclear whether customers in other regions will have the chance to sample any of the new Z Fold concepts, since there is currently no sign that they will be released outside of Asia, but we're still optimistic. At the top of the foldables market, Samsung has never had such severe pressure, and the release of new models and enhancements to the current Z Fold range would help revive the faltering line. The Z Fold 6 Slim is going to take a while to become a reality, so although we could receive more hints once Samsung unpacks on July 10th, it's doubtful that we'll get definitive answers. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.